Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to sort data in Excel by color. Let us begin. In our workbook here, we have this table with car brand and their prices. The prices are randomly organized and I want to organize them based on color. Click on price column wherever you want. Navigate to data tab. Here in sort and filter group, select sort. From here, choose price column. I don't want them sort by cell values. I want them sort by color. From order, I would choose blue color and I want it to be on top. At second level, again, price column, cell color. This time I will choose this color. I want this color to be second. I will leave on top. Actually, it's not on top. It will be on second because here Excel already have organized it for us. One more level. Price, cell color. Lastly, I want yellow color. And I want it to be on bottom. Okay. Excel resorted our data based on the color that we have chosen. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.